I tried every serum, every trending skincare hack, and my skin still looked tired. But the moment I stopped following the rules, my glow finally came back. Let's get one thing straight. Glowing skin is not just about what you apply. I used to think flawless skin meant finding the perfect serum or trending mask. I tried everything influencers recommended: vitamin C, retinol, snail mucin, double cleansing, glass skin products. Then it hit me. Maybe the real secret isn't what goes on the skin, but what happens behind the scenes. Habits, lifestyle, consistency. Water-only mornings. Your barrier. We'll thank you. The first change was surprisingly simple. I stopped washing my face in the morning with a cleanser. Instead, I just rinsed it with cool water and gently patted it dry with a clean towel. That's it. Sounds almost too basic, right? But the difference was immediate. My skin stopped feeling stripped. That tight, squeaky clean feeling, gone. Instead, my skin felt calm and balanced, like it finally had room to breathe. Turns out, our skin barrier needs natural oils to stay strong. What you eat in the morning sets the tone for your skin. Next, I tackled breakfast. I didn't realize how much sugar I was consuming in the morning: granola bars, sweet cereal, and flavored coffee. All of it was spiking my blood sugar, which can trigger inflammation and throw your skin off balance. Now, I start my day with a low-sugar breakfast: oats with chia seeds and berries, boiled eggs, avocado toast, or Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. My skin thanks me for it. The glow isn't just from what I eat, it's from how I feel. Balanced inside equals balanced outside. Fewer hormonal breakouts, less redness, better energy, it all adds up. Face yoga and lymphatic drainage, the circulation boost. You're missing. One of the most underrated things I started doing is facial massage. Every morning, or at least 5 times a week, I spend 3 to 5 minutes doing gentle face yoga or lymphatic drainage using a gua sha tool, or even just my fingers. You don't need fancy tools. Just clean hands, a little oil, and a few minutes of mindfulness. It's not only great for your skin, it's also incredibly relaxing. 10 minutes of morning sunlight. Before any screens. This one surprised me. I began stepping outside every morning, even if it was just for 10 minutes. No phone, no scrolling, just a glass of water, sunlight, and stillness. Morning sunlight tells your body, it's time to wake up. It sets your internal clock, which directly impacts your sleep quality. And better sleep equals better skin. After just a week of this, I started falling asleep faster, waking up more refreshed, and my skin had this subtle, calm glow. Not the shiny kind, just healthy, rested skin. A cold splash at night to reset your skin. This is now the final step in my nighttime routine, and it's honestly the best way to wind down. After my skincare, cleanser, and moisturizer, I do one last thing: a 10-second cold water splash. Why? Cold water tightens your pores, reduces puffiness, and sends a calming signal to your skin. It helps lock in everything you just applied and tells your skin it's time to rest. It also feels incredibly refreshing after a long day. Glowing skin isn't bought, it's built. Here's the real secret. You don't need a 10-step routine, a drawer full of trending products, or the newest serum from a celebrity brand. You need to build habits that support your skin from the inside out. Water-only mornings, a clean breakfast, a few minutes of massage, natural sunlight, a cold splash before bed. These aren't expensive, they aren't flashy, but they work. So if you've tried everything and nothing's worked, maybe it's not your product. Maybe it's your habits. Try this. Your glow is already there. It just needs a little support to shine through. Your turn to glow. If this helped you rethink your skincare routine, share it with someone who's tired of wasting money on things that don't work. Let's normalize real habits, not just product hauls. Your skin is part of your lifestyle, not your shopping list. And trust me, when you get it right, it shows.